Okay, so I welcome you all for Design of Machine Elements lecture 2. Today we will discuss about what are the traditional methods in design and what are the what is the design synthesis and ergonomic considerations for design and sequential design process. We discuss about these three. First one is that what is the traditional methods of design. Next one is the man-machine closed loop system. Another one is sequential design process and design synthesis. Now we will discuss about traditional methods. In traditional methods, suppose say that I can say that in a company, an organization is having number of years experience for technician. So that technician design should not be considered. We should not be considered. So here craftsman does not prepare dimensional drawing of their products. That is one of the very important point in that craftsman does not prepare dimensional drawings of their products. It means that what it is going to happen. So craftsmen means there are having plenty of experience also. The design has to be done by the engineer itself, not by the craftsman. So something he will put it and he will cut it. I will tell you best example for this. You go for this thing, your bike or your car or scooter. If you are going to change for your engine oil, so how you are going to change for engine oil? You will go for bike mechanic, and you will show that your bike, and he will tell that sir, there is no engine oil for that. So he will do that. So what is going to happen immediately? What maximum people will do whatever. So what you want? So sir, I want money for that to purchase for that engine oil. So it will take minimum 1 hour or 2 hours time. You please give me the money, and you go and come back, or else you come in the evening. We will do it that one concern. Okay, right. He will down that engine oil from that crankcase. Afterwards, what he will do is very local purchasing oil, engine oil. He will pour it on that particular engine this one. So what is going to happen over there? So at the time that it will make a trouble for our engine. Means I told very simple example. So what you have to do? Suppose if you are a mechanical engineer, real mechanical engineer, what you will do? You purchase yourself that oil from company oil, and in front of you that oil has to pour in the engine cylinders. So that is the system. That is the system. So maximum our people, what they will do that is they will give that money and they will charge for company price, and they will pour fourth or 10th quality of oil. 10th quality of oil. So that is the indirect what that word is saying that. So the craftsman should not do that design drawings. Okay, he is having experience to put the diameter and the length and all the things. Suppose you take an example of welding fixer. What it is going to happen in welding fixer? Where the bend holes we have to provide. Only engineer can know. Where that poke and drag. functions and where we have to put it. He only knows that. One who has having that knowledge, he only can do that one. So that in our traditional drawings, these things may occur. So that's why we have to avoid this traditional methods. Craftsmen should not do any work of this one. Engineer will do, senior engineer will do, museum will take care of. All the things will be taken care of by expert of design people. So that is the first point. Next point is products are developed by trial and error. Yes. Suppose you are manufactured one job means workpiece. Say that that piston you are manufactured, so that piston is working in the cylinder or not. We have to try it, not only one time, two times. Number of iterations you have to take, whether that material is disturbed or not. All the things you should have to verify it. So that is we have to go for trial and error method. Suppose we are going to doing if you want to find out any one answer minus b plus or minus root of 4a square by 2c. We are with the help of we are going to doing the trial and error methods. Okay. So that is one of the things we have to go for it. Another one is product should be developed by trial and error methods. Another one more point is essential information of products. So essential information of the products means what are the essential information of the products? What is the essential information of the product means? For example, selection of materials, technical information, specifications, all the things we have to go for selection of the products. Selection for essential information for products. Suppose materials, dimensions, thickness, length, depth. Okay, all the things we have to consider over there. Right? That is materials and dimensions. So that is the traditional design. Now till now we are doing traditional method only. Sorry. So the traditional methods only we are doing for manufactured product. Okay. Another thing is in that area you will see that what are the ergonomic considerations of to manufacture a product. What are the ergonomic considerations? Say this ergonomic considerations. Before explaining the figure, I will do one. So here ergonomics means what? Suppose you take best example. We are sitting in our classroom table. One bench we are going to see. So that bench, some specifications will be there. In that specifications, if you are going to sitting, so that manufacturer has manufactured that particular dimensions, then you will not get that back pain. You cannot get that any other stresses. You can freely sit, you can write it on the bench. All these things will be done by if you are going to considering the ergonomic considerations means we have to take consideration of human ergonomics, human comfort. Then that is we are that's why in that ergonomics we are having so many vibrations will come. That vibration has to be withstand our body. Suppose 1 second some of the vibrations. Suppose if you are crossing bike, and suddenly one depth will come, some obstacle will come. What it is going to happen? 1 or 2 seconds only it is going to vibrate. Suppose that vibrations is there 1 minute or 2 minutes, the entire human body will be collapsed. Some of the neurons and other things will be collapsed. Means it won't be function. That is the most important. Suppose you take any vehicles is going, one vibration is going to be completed and sinusoidal wave is going to be completed. Sinusoidal wave is going to be completed. So, if it is not completed and it is continuously coming to that sinusoidal wave in that vibration, so that is effect to that human this thing. And the design is not, we can say that the design is not safe. The design is not safe. Okay? So here that thing will be there. And here we will see that ergonomic considerations for design. So how it will be there? We will see that. Here we will take one man and machines, one loop. If you are going to considering this loop, what is going to be happening? Here is first information display will be there. After that information display will goes to the information reception. Information display will be there. Information reception will be there. Information reception, after that it is going to the man. This information reception is going to the man. Suppose if you are going to sitting on the bench, how you are going to comfortably you are sitting, the information is going to the man, right? Whether it is comfort or not, it will go to that information, go to that, it will reach to the man mind. The design, entire design, if you are comfort or not, immediately it will tell. Suppose whenever you are going to sleeping, if you are going to sleeping by other hand, so in the sun, in the night, what will be happen? It is going to be stuck for your veins to flow our blood. If it is flowing is not good, immediately you get it pain. So like that information, whatever information will be there, it will goes to that man, and then man to that corresponding action. What is that corresponding action from that one? Connective action. Suppose it is not flowing properly, the blood is not flowing action, immediately it will say that your position of sleep to be changed. Immediately it will go for connective transfer. So that is the connective action. That action has to be done. Suppose I am telling that. Suppose if you are going to sit in this economics in the bench, what it is going to be happening in that bench? So that immediately pain is coming. That information, action, connective action will go to that brain, and immediately he will separate how you want to comfort to sit. Right? That is the thing. Afterwards, it will go to the machine errors. So the where we are going to that design is going to be that error is there. Suppose 3 feet height should be there. Say that 2.5 height should be there. That whenever manufacturing, that error we have to find out and we have to correct it. Over here also trial and methods we have to use here also. Suppose if you see that 3 feet or 4 feet or 5 feet. So the trial and error methods we have to follow and we have to go for errors. Okay. And that errors we are going to control it by machine controls, manufacturing controls. Suppose if you are making a job of shaft, that shaft we are going to fixing to the propeller shaft to that 6-wheeler vehicles. If you are going to put it is going to be already that the propeller shaft will give that more and more vibrations from differential to that knuckle joint. So if it is more, it is going to be giving, we will control that how we have to manufacture, how many threads we have to manufacture, how we are going to join that one. All these things we have to control for machine controls. After that, we will enter into that machine. We will enter into that machine. In that machine, so what is going to be happening? That controllers, we will make that and that correction should be made over. Machine settings, correction should be corrected. Means that error design will be corrected. If it is anything, then errors will happen. After that, it is going to that information to display. Again, we are coming back to the display position. That display position, over there again, the person will go and sit. Or we are taking an example of shaft, propeller shaft. That propeller shaft again we are going to testing over there. If it is any errors or correction or connectivity will be there, we are going to set it over there. And after that, display again we are going to show it over there. So, likely and this man-machine closed loop system. This system we are going to call it as, we are going to use this system for design. After design a product, we will go for all that to eliminate the errors. For this system we are going to use. So here the interaction information. Again, it is there anything will be there. Again, the information to the reception info and it will come to that command. If corrections will be there, again it will come to the connective action, machine controllers, machines, information is there. So if it is a number of trial and error methods, number of iterations we have to take. Number of iterations we have to take. Otherwise it is very, very difficult. So then only we will get that fine-tuned product. That we can do for that. We will hand over to that sales department. Okay, the design. If the design is satisfactory. Okay. Right. Another next one is that here this sequential process. What are the sequential process in design? What are the sequential process in the design? What is the sequential process in the design? First, we will see that this sequential process. How we are going to see that? First one is the marketing department. When you are going to means sequential design process, first marketing department, next design office, next design office, it will go for design office. After that, it will go for production department, it will go for production department. After that, it will go for sales and service department. First, I discussed, first of all, which product, if you want a design, that is called as that's why we are going to see this sequential design process. Sequential design process. So what is that over here? First we will go for market study. That is called as forecasting of the product. Suppose if you want to manufacture design product, you go for forecasting for that. So in that forecasting, after forecasting marketing survey, you will get it. What I mean to say, you will go for design office to design that all the technical information, scientific principles, and the imaginary of the product. All the things you have to do in the design office. Okay. Once the design is over, the product, the job. Okay. Market survey is over. After that market survey, which product? Suppose say that pistons are lagging, or IC engines are lagging, or crankshafts are lagging, or connecting rods are lagging, lathe machines are lagging, CNC machines are lagging in the market. So for that product, you will go for and you will design for. And what is the advancement of that design? You will go for computer numerically control systems. You will have and you will design it and you will release that product. Where this all the things will be happen? Design office. First you will go for market survey. After the design office, next you will go for production department. Once the design is over completely, machine, material selection and everything is over, what you are going to do for here is the production department. In that production department. So in that production department, what we are going to see, looking for that, we are going to manufacture according to the drawings, according to the specifications. All these things we will go for in production department to produce a product finally. Right? So over there, it is going to be happening. So after that, finally, what you are going to actually over there, we have to check the product whether it is that within the tolerances, within the limits, is there or not, we have to check it. That product, that's one of the major criteria for it. So that is that we have to check. That is called as quality control. That is called as quality control. That quality we have to check it. That quality we have to check it. So that is called as quality control. That the quality control department after production of this product, we will check it whether that required as per the drawings it is there, as that material was used, or it is any defects are there, we will find out. If it is any defect will be there, we will keep separate for the product. After that, we will send it. Next, after that, finally, we will send this. Finally, we will send it to the sales department. Finally, we will send it to the sales department. In the sales department, what is going to be happening in the sales department? So, once the product is manufactured, that product has to be sent to the sales department. That sales department people has to be delivered or has to be sent whoever requirement. Whoever requirement we have to send it for that people. Okay, so that is a sequential design process: marketing, design office, and the production department, sales and marketing. So that is the very most sales and service. So one more time, term is that sales. Once you are sale, okay, no problem. You are purchased one. Say that one Maruti vehicle. So Maruti vehicle nowadays Toyota or Honda vehicles. So all these things you are going to say selling all vehicles. So that once it is the vehicle is selling, so customer to be satisfied. That's the very most important part. Customer, if the customer is satisfied only, your sales will be increased. Orders will come more and more. Okay, so that is the sales and service. After that, once you say we have to repair and maintenance should be there, and the sales should be there, and the sales in that sales, service in that service, weekly, monthly, or 6 months, 1 year, we have to change different parts and different this thing, and all these things will come under in that design itself, in the machine design itself only. It is not for any other subject. So that's why sequential design process we are going to say. I am going to tell you is sequential design process. So that over there, service is the most important. Suppose if your vehicle is breakdown somewhere else, suppose if your part is somewhere else, it is breakdown. So immediately your service people has to go and they have to attend, and it has to be repaired, and we have to give to the customer. Customer has to be satisfied. Then only our sales and production will be increased. So all these things, sales and service, production, market survey, all these things depend upon only on the design department itself. It is not for other departments. It is only over there itself. Okay, so that is the most important one in that area. So these three things we have to remember more and more. One is that traditional design. Another one is that design synthesis. Another one is the design of design consideration of ergonomics. So you see that the big companies they are hiring for mechanical engineers. They want for ergonomics considerations. Okay, that's why suppose you take Google, you take some of the Google and other main say that other companies, software companies, they are hiring for ergonomics itself, particularly. Okay, so that's a man-made closed loop system and sequential design process. Okay, thank you. We'll meet the next class. Thank you.